Samsung QN85A QLED. For watching sports in a wide sitting arrangement, the Samsung QN85A QLED is the best smart television we have tested. It's very similar to the Samsung QN90A QLED, but what makes this TV different is that it uses another panel type with a wider viewing angle. It means that the image remains the same whether you are watching from directly in front or from the sides, meaning it's a great choice to use in your wide sitting arrangement to watch the big game with some family and friends. It also gets bright and has remarkable reflection handling if you watch sports during the day, so visibility isn't a problem. Fast moving players and balls look smooth thanks to the quick response time, and you won't see any motion blur. Sadly, the TV has some uniformity issues that you might notice in sports with large areas of the same color like in basketball and football, but it's not overly distracting either. The Tizen OS also makes it easy to stream your favorite sports, as you will find your necessary app through the App Store. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Best Buy for your day-to-day top-notch commodities.